Hey everyone, welcome back to Earth and Drone. Today's video is a request from subscriber Fathmi Jahan. I apologize for the pronunciation, but he asked how to easily switch from the controller to the phone when controlling the drone. So I'm taking requests from subscribers, so if you have any other ideas or any questions that you might have that you want to see a video done on, please let me know in the comments below. I love interacting with you guys. I appreciate the support, and I hope you find this tutorial very informative. Okay, so here we have the Spark powered on, and we have the remote controller powered on. I'm already connected via the remote controller here. You can see that with the green light. But if you're not connected, just bear with me here a couple minutes, and we'll get to that point. So we're going to switch between the remote controller and the phone as a remote. So what we want to do here is we want to use our phone as the remote controller. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hold the Spark down for about 6 seconds and get 2 beeps. So there's the first one, and there's the second one. So we will go into our Wi-Fi. So there's our Spark Wi-Fi, so we'll connect to that. And now we'll go back to the DJI Go 4 app and see if we're connected. So we are connected, as you can see in the bottom left corner. And we can start flight with our remote control, or with our phone as the remote controller. Okay, now we want to go from the phone as our remote back to the remote controller. So you can see right now the remote controller is not connected. You can see that with that red light there. And so what we're going to do is we're going to hold the power button down and just get 1 beep. So that was about 3 seconds. You get 1 beep. And we're going to go into our Wi-Fi. So mine automatically connects because I've used it so many times, but you'll look for the Spark-RC Wi-Fi, so we'll select that. So we are connected to that, and we'll go back to the DJI Go 4 app. And what I recommend doing is click this RC Connected button in the bottom left corner and go ahead and hit Remote Controller Linking. And it'll take about 30 seconds. Okay, mine took a lot faster, but it might take you up to 30 seconds. So you can see that our remote controller is successful. Okay, that does it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it really helpful. And be sure to check back soon for more Earth and Drone videos. Thank you.